Replace ball joint and mount bush. Push this in and down to release shifter. Remove ball joint. Clean ball joint. Add grease to ball joint. Push shifter back in. Line up tabs. You may have to tap the tabs out to lock them in place. Be gentle. Time to remove mount bush. I had a hard time. Any method would work. I recommend a vise to reinstall. A hammer can work too, but be careful not to cut the edges of bush. I found pushing in on an angle, then using screwdriver was best. If you know a better method, please share. Shifter should be tight and not flip around. All done.